Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how you can create vibration place effect on CapCut. First one, select the video you like to edit. Just go to track and um, select some images or photos you like here. Just tap on add track, sorry, and merge it. Add another image like so. And you are just going to transition, select like smooth transition between the video and the images, export duration until full, and go to um so effect and select vibration place the on add to track, export duration for the images only, and select the second clip. Go to animation, select combo animation, select wobble and another clip without the video. Go to animation, select combo animation, wobble, wobble animation, and you can see the final result. So this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.